Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi. I own a digital marketing agency by the name Social Up Marketing. And आज मैं रिवील करने वाली हूँ why did I leave 1 lakh on the table to start my own business. Basically इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं that why did I leave a big opportunity mid interview, what made me leave that opportunity mid interview, and why did I decide to start my own business. So let's get straight into it. Okay. So firstly, let's talk about how did I land that interview, that too in third year of my college. To begin with, I got my first paid internship in first year of my college, which paid me 6,000 rupees per month. I applied through Internshala. I went through an interview process and then they gave me an assignment. I did that and I joined in that company. It was a gaming company as an intern, just as a content writing intern. I used to write blogs, used to write social media posts, captions and reels, scripts, all that stuff. After some time, after 2 to 3 months, I got more engaged towards the social media, and I started giving strategies, I started giving suggestions. So what happened was, eventually I was promoted to the post of a social media manager. And this is how things work in a startup. Startups are very fast paced. If they see that a person is doing good, they'll eventually promote you very quickly. So I was promoted from an intern to social media manager in about 6 months time, I guess. That happened. And with that also, एक साल के पीरियड में उन्होंने मेरी सैलरी 3 बार इंक्रीज की, because they increased my responsibilities and they also basically gave me a promotion. Okay, that happened. Now what happens later is, this company gets acquired by a bigger company in the same niche. So there I was like, no interview happened, nothing happened. I was directly part of that company because the founders in the previous company referred me. So I was a part of that bigger company as a social media executive, not as a manager. But that kept going on, and again I was, like always, I was giving my inputs. And मेरा ऐसा कि if I work somewhere, I work as if कि वो मेरी ही कंपनी है. तो in about 2 to 3 months time, जो वहाँ का मार्केटिंग मैनेजर था, he resigned. So I was made the marketing manager. And then I was responsible for all the brand partnerships, the activations, social media, overall marketing, planning, strategizing, सब कुछ. Okay, so that was going really well, and it was also a very high paying job. But what happens later is, this company gets acquired by even a bigger company, one of the top gaming companies in India. And there I am not getting selected directly. There's an interview process because that's a big company. So I was referred, and my seniors then at the mid company said that be serious about it, it's a very good opportunity and you'll get paid this amount, and there will be so many perks, do this, do that. Started like this. Firstly उन्होंने बोला एक टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू राउंड होगा. इट वॉज अ गूगल मीट. सो वी डिड दैट. अच्छा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा हुआ. दैट वॉज राउंड 1. Okay, then round 2 was, they gave me a task to create strategies on how to grow their socials across platforms. So I did that as well. Okay, I created a good plan and everything. I was asked to prepare a plan. Okay, basically that contains strategies. I was not asked to prepare a calendar. What happens later is, पूरे दौरान like before the third meeting, I was getting conscious कि कितना time ले रहा है. They're not finalizing anything, they're just giving task after task, they're taking calls after calls, interviews after interviews. बीच में ऐसे और भी टेलीफोनिक सेशंस हुए थे, क्योंकि ठीक है. तो an employee जो उनकी टीम से मेरे साथ टच में थी, she got in touch with me. She said, Khushi, the plan you created was great, but we now need to put it into a calendar. But I said, what about the job confirmation? Am I even selected? Like, you are getting everything done by me, but what's the confirmation on the job? मैंने उसको ये बोला. तो जो मेरा मिड कंपनी वाला मैनेजर था, मैनेजर कह लो या फिर बेसिकली जो मेन ऑपरेशंस टीम में लोग थे, दे रीच आउट टू मी से, खुशी व्हाई डिड यू आस्क देम दिस क्वेश्चन? I mean, why wouldn't I ask them this question? I value my time and they're already taking a month to finalize things. If they don't want to hire me, I can apply somewhere else because this is just my time getting wasted. Okay, तो चलो फिर उन्होंने बोला नहीं नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता है, these things take time. I was in I guess सेकेंड ईयर का लास्ट में या थर्ड ईयर के बिगनिंग में देन ओके तो मेरे को लगा ठीक है मेरे को नहीं पता होगा इतना सो मैंने क्या किया आई गॉट ऑन दैट कॉल विद दैट गर्ल ठीक है हम आराम से प्लान बना रहे थे जो मेरे आइडियाज थे वही आइडिया शी वाज जस्ट कॉपी पेस्टिंग इनटू एन एक्सेल शीट एंड उसमें उसने मेरे को साथ में मीटिंग में बिठा रखा था एंड शी वाज सेइंग ऐसे करो ऐसे करो ऐसे करो ऐसे करो अगर वो मेरे को पहले से बोलते इन द टास्क दैट आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ कंटेंट कैलेंडर आई वुड हैव डन दैट बट दे आस्क्ड फॉर strategy so I did that ठीक है now what happens next is that girl's manager comes into her office उसका माइक खुला है उसका कैमरा खुला है but she didn't know कि उसका माइक खुला है so what happened is her manager walks in and वो कहती है इसने तो इतना अच्छा कुछ काम किया नहीं मैंने सब कुछ बना दिया है मैंने कैलेंडर बना दिया है मेरा आप चेक करना इट्स रियली गुड एंड इट विल बी रेडी in an hour or two and my brain froze literally my brain froze I'm a kind of girl अगर मैं कहीं पे काम कर रही हूँ I am working like it's my company मेरे को उसको ग्रो करना ही है I'll give my 100% in the research I'll give my 100% in the strategies in the deep work but मेरे सामने someone is taking credit of my work where the only thing she is doing is मेरे को बता रही है वो कि इसको बस इधर से उठा के इधर रख दो in the sheet I got furious but I didn't know कि मैं उस कॉल में कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करूँ तो वो कॉल होने दी पूरा काम ख़त्म हो गया I took around a day or two's time I didn't follow up with them and then I texted them that listen I don't want to continue with this opportunity because I value my efforts I value my work मेरे को बाकियों का नहीं पता पीपल डोंट इवन टेक द वर्क सीरियसली बट अगर मैं कोई काम करती हूँ आई डू इट लाइक दिस कंपनी इज माई बेबी एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू ग्रो एंड अगर कोई मेरे सामने मेरा क्रेडिट ले रहा है आई कांट survive in such a work culture that was such a toxic day for me and in that whole thinking process I was just thinking घर पे कैसे बोलूँगी बिजनेस करना है like बिजनेस करने का सोचा भी नहीं था ये था बस ये जॉब नहीं करनी है मेरे दिमाग में बैठ गया था कि अगर ऐसा वर्क कल्चर होता है पीपल कैन टेक अप माई वर्क इतना ईजिली आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू वर्क अंडर एनी वन एल्स एवर अगेन आई मेड माई माइंड देन एंड वो 1 week वॉज सो टफ फॉर मी जब मैंने फाइनली डिसाइड किया कि ठीक है जॉब नहीं करनी है बिजनेस करना होगा क्योंकि जॉब नहीं तो बिजनेस देयर आर ओनली 2 things दैट यू कैन डू क्योंकि पैसा तो कमाना ही था राइट तो अब करना था बिजनेस के लिए मम्मी पापा को बनाना एक अलग ही चैलेंज एक अलग ही दर्दी था दैट इज समथिंग आई गेट टू अनदर डे बट basically this is how I left 1 lakh on the table just for this one reason because someone took credit for my work and this is how corporate can get this is how toxic corporate can get मैं तो उसमें घुसने से पहले ही बाहर निकल गई बट पीपल हु आर डूइंग दिस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस सल्यूट टू यू गाइज आई कैन नेवर डू इट आई कैन नेवर सी समवन टेक क्रेडिट फॉर माई वर्क बिकॉज मेरे ख्याल से वही डिफरेंस होता है बिटवीन people who do jobs and people who become entrepreneurs that maybe job wale jo log hota they don't take that much accountability for their work and they do not feel responsible for what they're doing but if I do something I am fully accountable for that and I am fully responsible for that मैंने जितने उसमें एफर्ट्स डाले हैं I want to be responsible if it's going down I want to be responsible if it's going up not the other way around but yeah this is why I left the job and that's when I knew कि ऐसा अगर मैं अपनी कंपनी स्टार्ट भी करूँगी I don't want this kind of work culture ever in my company and that's what I started वर्किंग ऑन इवेंचुअली. नहीं पता था क्लाइंट्स कैसे आएंगे, नहीं पता था लीड्स कैसे आएंगे, नहीं पता था आएंगे भी नहीं आएंगे. बस एक चीज़ थी, आई हैड पैशन इन मी. I wanted to do something I loved. I love marketing. I love strategizing. I love thinking for brands. I love creating visions for brands. And that's what we eventually came to. And that's what I'm doing right now. After भी ज़्यादा time भी नहीं हुआ है, college खत्म हुआ है, and we are already working with some of the big brands in the company. And it's good, it's really good. I'm glad I took the risk and it was definitely worth it. Job में yes बहुत ज़्यादा security होती है कि fixed time पे salary आ रही है, you are safe, secure, sound, everything. But business में the kick you get every time you do something on your own, the happiness of having your own little team and the happiness of getting results for your dream brands, that's the feeling you can never get in a job. And yeah, I'm very glad I took that decision. बहुत लोग ऐसे भी बोलते हैं कि why are you not going for a job, why are you not why didn't you apply in a tech role when you were from BTech background, and why didn't you sit at placement and ये and वो. मेरे बस की नहीं था. मैंने ऑलरेडी झेल लिया था मार्केटिंग में इन थर्ड ईयर ऑफ कॉलेज की कैसा वर्क कल्चर हो सकता है. आई एम अ वेरी इमोशनल पर्सन. अगर कोई मेरे से थोड़ा भी लाइक इफ समवन इज इवन अ लिटिल रूड टू मी, आई कैन नॉट इवन बेयर दैट. तो कोई इतने षड्यंत्र रच ले मेरे अगेंस्ट एंड इतना स्ट्रैटेजीज बना ले मेरे अगेंस्ट, आई कुड नेवर बेयर दैट. आई एम अ वेरी सिंपल पर्सन एंड इमोशनल पर्सन. तो मेरे लिए दिस वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग आई कुड हैव डन. एंड बेसिकली दिस इज हाउ आई लेफ्ट 1 lakh on the table and started my own business. And I don't know how safe it will be for you to start your own business after leaving a job, because it takes guts. It takes real guts. शुरू में पहला client we closed was at 6,000 rupees per month. 6,000 नहीं, I guess 7,500 per month. And we were 2 partners with no team. So only I know how we managed. Yeah, so basically इतना अच्छे पैसे कमा रहे हो आप at one moment and then immediately you are making like 3,000 per month. So it was a big leap, but if you believe in yourself well enough, it's worth taking that leap. And I was very pretty early in my journey back then. Like अभी 2 ही साल हुए हैं to that thing. तो पूरे 2 साल भी नहीं हुए हैं गेस. तो आई टुक अ गुड डिसीजन. एंड अभी कोई भी मेरे से पूछता है तो सब यही बोलते हैं, या जब मैं उन्हें समझाती हूँ कि वाई आई टुक दैट स्टेप, कि मैं नहीं कर सकती किसी के अंडर काम, देन दे अंडरस्टैंड दैट ओके ठीक है फिर तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. एंड या आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. बट या दिस वाज इट अबाउट दिस वीडियो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. इफ यू लाइक वॉचिंग दिस, मेक श्योर टू like, comment and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you'd like to watch. And that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.